So I ran out of time with the last video, so this is part 2 of 2. The last video is part 1 of 2. So now we will continue. So when I added the new customer Locutus Borgia of the address cube 155 and the email as resistance is futile at 50 trillion dot whatever. So the ID is 123. The password, the text box only reads int. So when I put string, it did not work. So I switched from we are Borg to 1599. I clicked create customer, and as you can see on the customers page or table of the chat bank database, there is the customer ID 123, customer password 1599, first name Locutus, last name Borgia, customer address cube 155, customer email, resistance is futile at 50 trillion.Borgia. I chose the name Borgia because I figured since I needed a last name and Locutus is a Borg, I just thought it might as well be funny and say Borgia as Borgia. So, admin. Now we are going to go back. We are going to delete customer. Well, we're going to log out first. We are going to do admin 123 login. Customer ID. We are going to do customer ID 3. We're going to click delete, and we are going to go to the database where it says customers, and we are going to no, that's account number. I was going to eliminate the account number, but customers. I'll just go back and eliminate 123. Delete. Now I'm going to go back, and here it says deleted. I'm going to refresh, and as you can see, it shows from 3001 to 3006 with no 123 in sight. I am going to log out. I'm going to do admin again, 1, 2, 3, login, and log out. 3001 1 2 3 4 login. Create account. Oh, I can't delete an account. It's fine. I think now that's it. See, I showed you the login as customer, the login as admin, the username, the password. Let me see something again real quick. No, I can't change the admin. So that's actually it. It's probably about 21 point. Yeah, it's 21. I'm just going to say 22 minutes. I'm just going to go ahead and stop this at 7 minutes on the dot.